Hi guys, it's me, Roz, with Furrygrams.com. Today I wanted to highlight my DIY kit. It includes a 16-ounce teddy bear, like so. Here he is. He is so soft. He is really, really soft. And he's 16 inches long. He's not the average teddy bear you buy out of the store. This one is custom made for our specifications. It includes a secret pouch. This pouch has a Velcro closure. Here it is here. It's about 3 inches deep. It was made specifically for our voice recorder. That is where you're going to insert the voice recorder. In my DIY kit also comes a cotton t-shirt. If you notice, this t-shirt opens from the back, okay? It has a Velcro closure right here. And this closure makes it really, really easy. If you have a single needle embroidery machine like I do, it lays flat and it's easy to hoop, and you can easily create your projects. Here's a better look at it. It's laying flat right here. Okay, so that's where you're gonna embroider. Or if you're a crafter, another type of crafter, you have a Cricut machine, a silhouette machine, you can do your vinyl, you can do paper, you can have a kids party, teddy bear party, and let them watercolor on the t-shirts, just whatever you can think of. Also in the kit comes my voice recorder. It's a heart-shaped voice recorder. Here it is. So you can record your custom message on here up to 30 seconds long. Inside the box also is the Furrygrams instructions. It's an instruction manual. It tells you how to record your message, and it also lets you know how to replace the batteries when it's time. The voice recorder comes with brand new batteries in it, but eventually they do run out. I also threw in a little sanitizing hand wipe packet. I'm just all about sanitation, so there you go. It's a little free gift that's going to be located inside the box. So again, to recap, you get your 16-ounce teddy bear, you get your voice recorder, and you get your cotton t-shirt in the package, okay? Then once you finish decorating your shirt, however you like it to look, you just simply dress the Furrygram. Super simple to do. Pull his little arms out. Gonna close the shirt in the back with the Velcro closure. Just like that. How simple is that? These make great gifts for any age, for kids, adults. You can put literally whatever message you want on the front of this shirt, okay? Just any message you want on the front of that shirt. You don't even have to put a message. You can just decorate it with crafts, any type of crafts you want. That's why it's called DIY, do it yourself. All right? And there's a look at the back. So he will arrive with the voice recorder again, and this is how simple it is to there's a little tab right there that lets you know that you have to remove that tab before you record your message. And this is how simple it is to insert that voice recorder inside of that secret pouch. Okay, so it's 3 inches deep. Again, you just tuck it in, can't even see it, pinch it closed with the Velcro closure, and poof, it's like magic. You can't even see it. It is concealed very well up underneath his shirt. Okay, so now you have your voice recorder inside of your Furrygram. To activate the message, all you're going to want to do is just push on his tummy. And that squeeze his tummy, just like this. And then you'll activate your message. Whatever message you've recorded on your voice recorder will be activated just by pushing on his little tummy. How cute is that? Yay! This is such a great gift idea, like I said, for you can have a kid's teddy bear party, have all the kids decorate their teddy bear shirts, and the teddy bear itself will become the party favor. It will be the star of the party as well as the party favor. Okay, so your Furrygram is going to arrive in a plastic bag just like this. This is just an example. This is one of my Mother's Day designs that I'm going to have listed on the website very soon. Just shows you an example of the type of things that you can do. Okay, so it'll have the Furrygram and the voice recorder, and it'll be in this plastic bag. Literally all you'll need to do if you're giving this away as a gift is to attach a bow, and he's ready to go. So go to my website, furrygrams.com, and you can order your very own Furrygrams DIY kit. Bye now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.